Today we're looking into the story of Mackenzie Shirilla, the Ohio teenager whose case became one of the most controversial and widely discussed criminal trials in recent years. What initially appeared to be a tragic car accident eventually turned into a murder investigation that shocked the nation. Years later, many people are asking, where is Mackenzie Shirilla now? Let's find out. The case dates back to July 2022 Strongsville, Ohio, when 17-year-old Mackenzie Shirilla crashed her car into a brick building at speeds reportedly exceeding 100 miles per hour. Inside the vehicle were her boyfriend, Dominic Russo, and his friend, Davion Flanagan. Both young men were killed in the crash, while Shirilla survived with serious injuries. At first, authorities investigated the incident as a possible accident. However, after reviewing surveillance footage, crash data, phone evidence, and witness testimony, prosecutors argued that the crash had been intentional. The prosecution claimed Shirilla deliberately drove the car into the building as part of a murder-suicide attempt following relationship problems with Russo. During the highly publicized trial in 2023, the judge ultimately agreed with prosecutors and found Shirilla guilty of multiple charges, including murder, aggravated vehicular homicide, and felonious assault. She was sentenced to 15 years to life in prison. Since then, her legal team has continued fighting the conviction, arguing that the crash may have been caused by a medical issue or blackout. However, several appeals have been denied, including recent efforts in 2026. The case has remained in the spotlight partly because of the intense public debate surrounding it, with some believing the crash was intentional, while others still question whether it was truly murder. A renewed wave of attention also came after the release of the Netflix documentary The Crash, which revisited the case and featured new discussions about the evidence and trial. So, where is Mackenzie Shirilla now? As of now, Mackenzie Shirilla is incarcerated at the Ohio Reformatory for Women in Marysville, Ohio, where she is serving her prison sentence. She is expected to remain there for many years, with parole eligibility projected for the late 2030s unless future appeals change the outcome of her case. From a teenager involved in a deadly crash to one of the most debated criminal cases in recent Ohio history, Mackenzie Shirilla's story continues to divide public opinion and generate national attention. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.